Dear students, today we will learn how to memorize vitamin B complexes. Vitamin B complex is a product that composed of 8 B vitamins. And what are these 8 vitamins? These are vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9, vitamin B12. These all vitamins are water soluble, and these vitamins has a direct impact on your energy level, brain function and cell metabolism. And what are the chemical names of these vitamins? First of all, vitamin B1 is thiamine. Write the first letter of this T here. And vitamin B2 is riboflavin. Write R here. And vitamin B3 is niacin, write N here. Vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid, that write P here. Vitamin B6 is pyridoxine, write B here. Vitamin B7 is biotin, write B here. Vitamin B9 is folate, write F here. Vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin, जो कि कोबाल्ट का कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, एंड इट इज राइट सी हेयर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट टू मेमोराइज देम? राइट टीना requested. Tina requested to requested Navi's papa to pick up to pick up brothers friend call. Okay, so by this shortcut you can learn all these, you can memorize all these vitamins, vitamin 8 of B complex. And the deficiency causes the diseases we already discussed about them, like B1 causes beriberi, uske baad B12 B2 causes cracked lips, sore tongue and skin disorders. Similarly, vitamin 3 causes plagra. After that, B5 foot burning syndrome. B6 causes deficiency of B6 causes nervous disturbance. Deficiency of B7 causes hair loss or brittle nails. Similarly, folate B9 causes megaloblastic anemia, and B12 very serious disease which can cause the death also. This is pernicious anemia, that is decrease in the RBC when body can't absorb enough B12. Okay, so this is the shortcut to memorize all these vitamins. Thank you so much. Again, this is Tina requested Ravi's papa to pick up brother's friend call. So by the first letters, you have to remember these first letters, and after that you can memorize, you can write all vitamin B complexes easily. Thank you so much.